Our world is full of life. We see plants and animals all around us, but there's a world too small for us to see. This is the world of microorganisms, or microbes. Microbes are everywhere. In the air, water, soil, and inside us. They play vital roles in our lives. Microbes are diverse and fascinating. Some are helpful, others harmful. Understanding them is crucial for our health and environment. How do we study something we can't even see? That's where the microscope comes in. A microscope is like a superpowered magnifying glass. It uses lenses to bend light and create a much larger image of a tiny object. With a microscope, we can magnify microbes hundreds or even thousands of times. This allows scientists to observe their shape, structure, and even how they move. The microscope is an essential tool for unlocking the secrets of the microbial world. Microorganisms may be small, but they are complex living things. They have all the features of living organisms. They grow, reproduce, and respond to their environment. Just like us, they need food for energy. Some microbes make their own food, while others get their food from other sources. Microbes can be found in a wide variety of shapes and sizes. Some are round like balls, while others are rod-shaped or spiral-shaped. Some have tails that help them move, while others stay in one place. Despite their tiny size, microbes are incredibly diverse and fascinating. There are many different types of microorganisms. Let's learn about 4 main types: fungi, bacteria, algae, and viruses. Fungi include mushrooms and molds. They get their food from dead plants and animals. Bacteria are single-celled organisms found everywhere. Some are helpful, others cause diseases. Algae are tiny plants in water. They make food through photosynthesis. Viruses are the smallest microbes. They need a host cell to reproduce. Section 5. Tiny helpers, big impact. Don't let their size fool you. Microbes play a crucial role in our world. Many microorganisms are beneficial to humans. For example, bacteria in our gut help us digest food. They break down complex molecules into simpler ones. Microbes are essential for making many foods. Yeast makes bread rise. Bacteria make yogurt, cheese, and chocolate. Microbes decompose dead plants and animals, recycling nutrients. Section 6. When microbes cause harm. While many microorganisms are beneficial, some can be harmful. These are called pathogens. Pathogens can cause diseases in humans, animals, and plants. Some common diseases caused by microbes include the flu, strep throat, and food poisoning. It's important to remember that not all microbes are bad. In fact, our bodies are home to trillions of microbes, most of which are harmless or even beneficial. However, it's important to practice good hygiene, like washing our hands regularly and cooking food properly to prevent the spread of harmful microbes. Section 7. Food foes. How microbes spoil our meals. Have you ever wondered why food goes bad? It's because of microorganisms. Microbes are everywhere in our environment, and they love to feast on our food just like we do. When microbes grow on food, they can change its taste, smell, and appearance. For example, mold growing on bread is a sign that fungi are at work. Bacteria can cause milk to spoil and meat to rot. These changes are not only unappetizing, but can also be harmful to our health. Section 8. Outsmarting spoilage, preserving our food. To prevent food spoilage, we use various methods to slow down or stop the growth of microorganisms. Refrigeration slows down the growth of microbes by keeping food cold. Freezing stops the growth of most microbes, keeping food safe for longer periods. Canning involves heating food to high temperatures to kill microbes, and then sealing it in airtight containers to prevent recontamination. Other methods like drying, salting, and pickling create an environment unsuitable for microbial growth. Section 9. Microorganisms. An essential part of our world. Microorganisms are an essential part of our world. Although some can be harmful, many are beneficial and play vital roles in our health, environment, and food production. Understanding microorganisms helps us appreciate their importance and make informed decisions about our health and well-being. By studying microbes, we can develop new medicines to fight diseases, find ways to clean up the environment, and even create new and innovative food sources. The world of microorganisms is full of wonder and possibilities waiting to be explored.